Well, now on Radio 4, here's Susan Powell.
Thank you, Caroline. Good morning. And now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0505 on Monday, the 18th of October. There are warnings of gales in Viking, north at Sierra, south at Sierra, Shannon, Rockall, Fair Isle, Faroes and southeast Iceland. The general synopsis at midnight. New low expected just west of Bailey, 980 by 1800 Monday. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking, north at Sierra, south at Sierra. Easterly, 4 to 6, veering southerly or southeasterly, 6 to gale 8, then southwesterly, 3 to 5 later in Viking. Fair, then rain. Good, occasionally poor. 40s, Cromarty 4th. Southeast, 4 to 6, occasionally 7 in 40s and Cromarty, veering southwest, 4 or 5. Occasional rain, fog patches later in 40s. Moderate or good, occasionally very poor later in 40s. Tyne, Dogger, Fisher, German Bight, Humber, Thames. East 3 to 5 at first in Fisher, otherwise south or southwest 4 to 6. Occasional rain, fog patches later. Moderate or good, occasionally very poor later. Dover, White, Portland, Plymouth. South or southwest 4 to 6. Occasionally 7 later in Plymouth. Occasional rain, fog patches later. Moderate or good, occasionally very poor later. South Biscay, variable 2 to 4. Showers, good. North or northwest Biscay, Fitzroy. South or southwest 4 to 6. Occasionally 7 later. Showers, fog patches in Fitzroy. Moderate or good, occasionally very poor in Fitzroy. Seoul, Lundy, Fastnet. Southerly or southwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 later. Rain, fog patches, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Irish Sea, southeast 5 to 7, veering southwest 4 to 6. Occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Shannon, Rockall, Malin, cyclonic becoming south or southwest 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 at first in Shannon and Rockall. Occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Hebrides, Bailey, southeast 4 to 6, becoming cyclonic, then south or southwest later, 5 to 7, perhaps gale 8 later in Bailey. Occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Fair Isle, Faroes, southeasterly 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8, veering southwesterly 4 to 6 later. Occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Southeast Iceland, cyclonic, mainly southeasterly at first, 6 to gale 8, increasing severe gale 9 or storm 10 later in northwest. Rain, moderate or poor. Weather reports from coastal stations for 0400 on the 18th of October. Tyree automatic, south-southeast, 4, recent drizzle, 12 miles, 1008 falling slowly. Stornoway, southeast, 3, more than 38 miles, 1008 falling slowly. Lerwick, east-southeast, 4, more than 38 miles, 1017 falling slowly. Luchas, west by south, 1, fog, 100 metres, 1011 falling slowly. Bridlington, west-southwest, 1, 1015 falling more slowly. Sandetti light vessel automatic, south by west, 4, 11 miles, 1019. Greenwich light vessel automatic, south by west, 4, 11 miles, 1018. Jersey, south-southeast, 4, 9 miles, 1017 falling slowly. Channel light vessel automatic, south by east, 4, 1016. Scilly automatic, south by west, 6, recent fog, 2 miles, 1012 falling more slowly. Valencia, south, 4, slight showers, 3 miles, 1003 falling slowly. Ronaldsway, south, 3, 7 miles, 1012 falling slowly. Malin Head, south by east, 4, 19 miles, 1007 falling. Here is the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 0500 on Monday the 18th of October. General situation. Low pressure to the west of the British Isles brings a strong southerly to southwesterly airflow and strong winds to much of the inshore waters over the next 48 hours. Weather fronts will also bring outbreaks of rain and drizzle at times to most areas. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney. Southeast 4 to 6, occasionally 7 near Orkney, veering south or southwest 4 or 5 later. Occasional rain or drizzle, showers later. Moderate or good, occasionally poor until later. Rattray Head to Berwick upon Tweed. South or southeast, veering southwest 3 to 5, occasionally 6 later. Occasional rain or drizzle, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Berwick upon Tweed to Whitby. South or southeast 3 or 4, increasing 5 or 6 for a time. Rain for a time, good, occasionally poor for a time. Whitby to Gibraltar Point. Rain, Whitby to Gibraltar Point, south or southwest 3 to 5, rain for a time, fog patches later, moderate or good, occasionally very poor later. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Southerly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 for a time in east. Rain for a time, fog patches later. Moderate or good, occasionally very poor later. North Foreland to Selsey Bill. Southerly or southwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 later. Mainly fair, then occasional rain or drizzle, fog patches later. Moderate or good, occasionally poor or very poor later. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis. South 3 or 4, increasing 4 to 6, then veering southwest later. Occasional rain or drizzle, then fog patches. Moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. South 4 to 6, veering southwest 2 to 4, then increasing 5 to 7 later. Occasional rain or drizzle, then fog patches. Moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. South or southeast 4 to 6, veering southwest 2 to 4, then increasing 4 to 6 later. Occasionally 7 later in southwest. Occasional rain or drizzle, then fog patches. Moderate or good, occasionally very poor. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. South or southeast, veering southwest 5 or 6, decreasing 3 or 4, backing south or southeast 3 to 5 later. Occasional rain or drizzle, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. Southeast, veering southwest 4 to 6, occasional rain or drizzle, becoming fair for a time. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Isle of Man, southeast, veering southwest 4 to 6, occasional rain or drizzle, becoming fair for a time, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch, south or southeast 5 to 7, veering south or southwest 3 to 5, occasional rain or drizzle, becoming fair for a time, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. South or southeast 4 to 6, occasionally 7 for a time, then veering southwest 3 to 5. Occasional rain or drizzle, becoming fair for a time. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. South or southeast 5 to 7, veering south or southwest 4 to 6. Occasional rain or drizzle, becoming fair for a time. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. South or southeast 3 to 5, increasing 5 to 7, then veering southwest. Occasional rain or drizzle, becoming fair for a time. Moderate or good, occasionally poor. Shetland Isles. Southeast 6 to gale 8, then veering southwest 4 or 5 later. Rain or showers, good, occasionally poor. And that completes the shipping bulletin. I'll be back with today's weather in just a few minutes. Caroline.
Thanks, Susan. This is BBC Radio 4. It's 5:30 on Monday, the 18th of October. Good morning. This